Crispy chicken in cornflakes is today's dinner idea, perfect as a hot or cold snack. Here's the ingredient list, also in the video description. I've added a blog link with all my recipes there too. Cut the chicken fillet into smaller pieces, seasoned with salt, pepper, sweet and smoked paprika. Mix it all and refrigerate for at least an hour. For the batter, mix a cup of flour, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Combine the chicken with the batter, mixing thoroughly to coat the meat. Add crushed cornflakes mixed with smoked paprika, then coat the chicken pieces on both sides. Deep fry the chicken until golden brown, a few minutes per side. They look and taste great. Serve hot or cold with your favorite sides and sauces. Enjoy your meal.